always have pride in your representation of you. It's not to get a man. It is just your representation of you, my sweet babies. So I'm just giving y'all a warning. If I see you in the streets, in the airport, in the Walmart, and you got a bonnet on, and you got slippers on, and you looking like what
are you gonna do?
I'm gonna tap you.
Hold on, pause. Look, Auntie Monique, you're not everybody's auntie. And furthermore, people are going through a whole lot of stuff these days. And you're gonna tap the wrong person, and that person gonna tap your ass right back. I can see it going pretty bad for you. I can see it now.
Yes, I'm at the airport right now. But when I get back, I'm suing Oprah Winfrey, Lee Daniels, and Tyler Perry. I'll call you back, my sweet baby. Yes, baby, you turn it up, okay?
Hey, baby girl. Show you what you're worth. Show you what you deserve.
Auntie Monique, are you okay, sweet baby? Mind your business, bitch. I love us for real.